It's just an ordinary... Oh my goodness!
Snow's coming to the Rockies, so we're heading westward to a place we like to call the Promised Land, Revelstoke, BC. Alright, it's the first day of the Promised Land trip. Boards are waxed, bags are packed, and we are ready to go. Now we just gotta wait for Josh to get back from work, and then we'll make our first leg of the journey to Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. So Josh is finally here. I mean, it took him forever. It's already like 5 o'clock. It is totally dark outside, and we're gonna get going.
Totally dark? Exaggeration much?
Okay, it's gonna be totally dark in like 5 minutes. Anyways, we got like 6 hours ahead of us. It's probably gonna be 2 in the morning. We're gonna go to bed, get to 4 hours of sleep, and then wake up again. Should be fun. Alright guys, we'll see ya. Bye.
Best remix of mix of music ever? Please no.
2, 4, 6, 8. I hate them. Go!
This is something. This is truly something. This got worse so much faster than I thought it would.
Alright, so we're in Regina right now. It's about almost 11 o'clock at night. We got about 70 kilometers to go till we get to Medicine Hat or Moose Jaw. I don't even know at this point. I'm exhausted. So yeah, it's gonna be a good night. There we go. Alright, so it's like 12:30 in the morning. We finally arrived at the hotel.
12:23.
Whatever. Pretty much been driving all day since about 5 o'clock. We're tired and we're going to bed. It's day 2 of the Promised Land trip. We just woke up, gotten probably about 5 hours of sleep. We're all pretty exhausted from the drive last night. We got another big drive ahead of us all the way out to Revelstoke. It's about 12 hours, so it's going to be another long day. Alright, so I'm Adrian, this is Josh, that's Trey back there, totally KO'd, he's out. We've been driving ever since 8, it's 10:47. Just past Swift Current. We're about 108 kilometers away from Medicine Hat. We're gonna get gas there, but the news about the snow in BC is once you get about past Kicking Horse, they're getting about an inch of snow every hour, which is a lot of snow. And that's gonna be keeping going until about, I think park close. Yeah, it was like 3 p.m. It was crazy. We're still probably 6 hours away, so we're looking at 6 inches of snow before we even get there. So hopefully tomorrow should be a pretty sweet powder day, but driving is gonna be a nightmare. All right, so we're finally in Alberta. We just crossed the border. We're about 40 kilometers away from Medicine Hat. Trajan is still comatose, so nothing's changed really. And yeah, it is absolutely dumping snow right now. Like 20 minutes ago, the highways are totally clear, and now they're like pretty much covered in snow. A little concerning. I hope it's not going to be like this all the way till BC. Well, this is going to be a pretty white knuckle drive, especially through BC. So yeah, pretty hyped for that. How about you, Josh?
Just gotta roll with the punches, you know, and hope you don't roll the car with the punches, because that would
suck. That would suck. That would suck. For sure. Yeah, like you don't really get the feeling like until we got to BC, it felt like super surreal that we were actually going on this trip.
We're still in Alberta.
I know, yeah, we're still in Alberta, but now we're actually like in the mountains.
Yeah.
So we're finally in the mountains. We're finally into the BC area.
and you're complaining.
Finally, I know I've been complaining. You've been seeing flat, dead grass the last like 12 hours. So.
I've not been seeing anything because I've been sleeping.
Yeah, he's been out cold. He's been totally dead. How can you sleep that long? Definitely like feels like we're now on a trip. Like before, it was kind of like, we're like going on a BC trip. It didn't feel like we were going snowboarding. Like it feels surreal. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be super sick.
Okay, so because for some reason Hadrian can't seem to get this right, coming up ahead, as you've heard like 20 times now, there's gonna be snow. And we see fog, so there's gonna be snow.
It's gonna be bad.
We're in Banff now. We just passed Canmore.
Yep.
So we're chugging along here, having a great time, you know, being dirty in a small car with all our stuff packed into
There's
it.
no room in
Great
this
time.
Anyways, it's been dope so far. I mean, we're pretty exhausted because we have basically literally just been driving. We maybe slept 4 hours. Train was up. He was like clicking away at his computer, making so much noise. It was ridiculous. I was literally there like, shut up!
The guy who's not even driving. Okay, so you know how through this entire 12-hour trip-ish, we've been saying, it's gonna get worse, it's gonna get worse. Well, guess what? It kind of got worse. So about in the span of 30 seconds, it went from the beautiful, nice grassy area in under a minute into something you see off ice road truckers. I swear we're gonna slide off the side of a mountain. Like, this is pretty
dicey.
How fast are we going?
We're going 70.
We're going 70. And
90.
yeah, speed limit, yeah, it's getting pretty shady here.
It was late at night. We were delusional.
Make a U-hyphen turn.
What the make a
You make a U-hyphen turn.
We needed to get to Justin and Nick's place as soon as possible. The drive through the pass normally takes a little over an hour to complete, but it took us almost 2.5 hours. We did eventually arrive at Justin and Nick's place alive and in one piece. After a 12-hour trek like that, we had no problem falling asleep. The journey is over. Now the fun begins.
Bye.